for today's video guys, I have banana, kanang bamboo dry leaves. So, let's go. So, I floating kangkong here. So this one I put over here. I planting here floating kangkong. So I put first this one.
I put the
bamboo leaves,
guys.
bamboo dry leaves. So if you see, then later I put on the top soil because I have a bamboo here. See, bamboo here, kangkong. This is
Bamboo here.
Seedling. Here, look at. This is my kangkong seedling. See? Oh, this is my kangkong.
Di mo sad kung...
Oh, makita naman na. Sige na.
Ha?
Yan. Bahong na ako. Ay, padul diri sa ako. Ana na. Distance lang kay basta mahulog ang cellphone.
Mahulog sa fish pan.
And I plant this one, Shorisam.
Usa man ang Shorisam?
Shorisam. Over here.
My mommy is to bamboo tangkong. Ay, joke. Kaning gahi jud tag English.
Like this. So, and then later I put this one soil. And then here, you see, if you see this one, it's already I put plant here is Shorisam. This Shorisam.
Shorisam? Wa man ko kailag Shorisam.
Okay, makaila ka ani niya. Kaon na ka ani lami ini.
Shorisam? Kabariha ka nung gikaon na to?
Wa kaon pa ani sukad.
Katron.
You never try this. So, okay na. Hindi na po. Ay, ato lang, ikaw niya. Tawag ko na ikaw niya, magkuha na.